Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is January 4th, 2019. My name's Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, today we have a pretty wild day out here. We just had the non-farm payroll report released. It looks like the futures are moving higher. Right now we're up 34 and 3/4 points to 2482.5 per contract. So all in all, you can see the futures right around 7, 8 o'clock last night started to creep higher. We had some positive economic data out of China. China had their Caixin PMI, I believe, up 53.9. That was a surprise. So again, you have some good action out here in a lot of the Chinese ADRs. You have Alibaba trading higher this morning, Baidu trading higher this morning, JD.com trading higher this morning. You also could see Sina Corp, I believe, also. That's a little bit on the flatter side. Looks like we have WB, which is Weibo, trading higher this morning. So you got a lot of Chinese ADRs catching a bid, and China had a pretty big bid itself. I believe that was up about 2% last night. So again, the Shanghai getting a big move. Many are thinking that this is going to lead to a U.S.-China deal in the making. So we'll see how that plays out. We also have lots of upgrades and downgrades out here, but more importantly than anything else, a hot job number, 300, I believe, in 12,000 jobs reported. Markets are holding up nicely ahead of the opening bell. Now, yesterday we had a big sell-off in the market, and we'll see what it leads to today. Again, today is the final trading day before the weekend. See if people want to hold stocks over the weekend going into next week. It's going to be important to see, and we'll just let it take its toll, and we'll see how it goes. But we have some upgrades and downgrades out here today. Netflix being added to Goldman Sachs conviction buy list. That stock closed at 271.25 yesterday, now trading at 282.79. So big pop there. And again, that was added to Goldman Sachs conviction buy list. I think we also had an upgrade on Intel. I didn't read the details there, but I did see it was upgraded. Stock closed at $44.49, now trading at $45.75. So we'll see how that plays out. You also have some other downgrades here by Goldman. FTNT, which is Fortinet, that stock being downgraded, but look at it. It has caught a bid already. So this was downgraded early, went to 64.50, now trading at 67.57, basically right back to the flat and unchanged level from yesterday. We have COO also downgraded. This right now is trading at 243.81. This was downgraded by Goldman, and I believe Exelon, EXC, downgraded by Goldman as well. This is trading at 43.85 at the moment, closed at 44.10. So we'll be watching this and more, and we'll see what this market gives us. But right now, you got a very big pop in the futures. S&P futures up 33.5, and you have the NASDAQ futures up 95 points. So that's a good move ahead of the opening bell. We'll see if it can last. Now, we have a big important event going on. You're going to have Federal Reserve Chairman Jay Powell speaking at 10:15 this morning. We'll see what he says, if he's going to still follow his dot plot, or is he going to be data dependent. The market is waiting on their verbiage. Again, we won't have an actual Fed meeting until the 30th of January, so we still have some time to go. But today, everyone is waiting to hear what Fed Chairman Jay Powell has to say. Will he use the hot job number today to say that he needs to continue to raise rates? Really, the ball is in his court, and we'll see how it all plays out. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold is settling down and selling off today. You have the GLD down about $6. If you take a look at the GLD this morning, I should say gold futures down $6. GLD right now trading at 121.71. This is down from 122.44. Spot gold right now trading at $1,289 an ounce. We have crude oil on the move. That is moving higher by $1.19 at the moment to $48.29 a barrel. So oil has certainly caught a little bit of a bid recently, and right now that's trading at $10.20, closed at $9.95 on the USO. So you can see oil upticking, gold down ticking. We have the US dollar index just up ever so slightly, just up 14 cents, but nonetheless it has caught a bid. And again, we'll see what happens at 10:15. So stay tuned. It's going to be an interesting one. Jay Powell's speech at that time, and we'll see where this market goes. With that being said, everybody, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish you all a wonderful trading day. If you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We've had a great 2018. We're off to a good start in 2019. And again, we're going to look to keep that going right into the end of the year. Have a great session, everybody, and we'll see you all on the charts.